Infusionsoft is a unique system because it includes a way to manage your contact database, market to them, and also convert to sales all in one system.
Infusionsoft is your all-in-one CRM, marketing, e-commerce, all wrapped up into one spot with intelligent automation. So each one of those pieces can talk to each other.
As a local service provider, Infusionsoft is a key tool because it allows you to save time, which is valuable when you're out in the field and meeting one-on-one with customers. But it allows you also then to start capturing sales online, which is a huge step forward to, again, save more time and grow your business.
The first thing you'll notice is the dashboard, which is configured to show what Infusionsoft is doing behind the scenes to grow sales and streamline operations. We can see appointments, sales reports, outstanding collections, and news. From here, we can use the Master Navigation menu to quickly access different areas of the application, including CRM, marketing, and e-commerce. We can create a customized navigation under My Nav by dragging over menu items we use most. This helps us save clicks and improve efficiency.
So you can access Infusionsoft from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you're on an airplane, at a coffee shop, it doesn't matter. As long as you have an internet connection, you can use Infusionsoft.
When you dive down into a contact record, you have everything you need all in one spot. You have marketing history, you have contact history, you have web history, and you have order history, so you can see everything in one snapshot.
Because you can capture all the details about your contacts in one place, it allows you to take action on that information.
Let's pull up a contact record now. The contact screen shows us basic contact information along with tags. Tags are searchable labels that can be used for segmentation and targeted marketing. Scrolling down, we can see appointments, notes, and email history, including data about which emails this contact has opened. The Web Profile tab shows us a comprehensive view of his activity on our website and hosted landing pages. We can see a list of the pages he has visited, how long he's spent on each page, and basic information about his technology systems. Once a contact moves into the sales funnel, we can use the Opportunities tab to track the progress of potential deals. When a contact buys, we can go to the Order tab to see the product and subscription purchases, along with payment information.
Infusionsoft actually comes with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder that allows you to create web forms or even landing pages to capture leads.
Infusionsoft's landing page builder is drag-and-drop simple to use. We can begin by adding keywords and metadata to optimize search engine rankings. The editing menu allows us to add content to our page, including articles, images, social media sharing buttons, and more. We can also add a web form to capture opt-ins. Forms can include data fields, checkboxes, and radio buttons. The Layout tab gives us easy tools to adjust page size or add and remove headers, footers, and sidebars. On the Style tab, we find a variety of pre-configured color palettes we can apply across the page. Publishing pages is easy. We can either put the code on our website, use a hosted option, or share the page with our social network. To do this, we simply check the box and click Share. Clicking over to our Twitter account, we can see that the post has been published and followers who click the link will be directed to our hosted landing page. Capturing leads has never been easier.
Not everyone is going to opt into your web page.
Happily, we have a way to keep track of even those site visitors that haven't opted into our list yet. Maybe they need some more convincing.
The web analytics in Infusionsoft give you a really good insight into what your customers' behaviors are and how much time they're spending on individual pages on your website.
Infusionsoft's web tracking is done through a code that is automatically added to your content, including landing pages, emails, and your storefront. To add the code to your website, just click Get Tracking Code. This code captures detailed information about the individuals who visit your website, including their web demographics and page visit history. Once a visitor becomes a lead by submitting a form, Infusionsoft will create a contact record, and all of their behavioral information will carry over to the Web Profile tab, providing you with a 360-degree view of their online activity.
Infusionsoft's Campaign Builder is a mapping tool that allows you to plan plan out your business process from start to finish. We're talking about your lead generation, your marketing campaigns, also your internal workflow.
It's all mapped out, but not only is it a pretty picture that you can hang up in your office, but there's functionality underneath there. So if you click on the email, it actually opens up the email builder and you create it right there. It's just amazing.
The primary parts of a campaign include traffic sources, goals, and sequences. We'll begin by adding our primary traffic sources, which for us are Facebook and our website. Next, we'll add a goal. We want visitors to download a report, so we'll drag out the icon for request information. We know it's important to follow up with these leads, so we'll move them into a sequence to get them to take the next step. We can continue to build out the campaign until it includes every touch point in our marketing and sales process. The campaign builder is a lot more than a simple flowchart. It's also your campaign manager. You see, every step of your campaign ties to something in Infusionsoft, such as an email or landing page. Behind the scenes, Infusionsoft connects everything together so you can focus on managing content. For example, our first goal can be linked to a landing page. When a contact completes that goal, Infusionsoft will automatically route him or her into this sequence. A sequence can include emails and automated processes to add tags, notes, tasks, and opportunities. We can also use precise timers to control exactly when these steps deploy. After adding all of our steps to the sequence, we can return to the campaign builder with the click of a button. At some point, we may want to route contacts into different sequences based on their behaviors. The campaign builder makes this easy to do through branching. We'll just add another sequence to our campaign, and Infusionsoft will automatically create the split. To create branching rules, we click the icon and create a rule based on tags or their responses to web form questions. This makes it really easy to segment leads for hyper-targeted follow-up.
In addition to all the marketing power that Infusionsoft has, we have a number of tools that can help you streamline your day-to-day operations.
A big efficiency tool in Infusionsoft is the interactive list view, which allows you to see and edit contact information, including notes, tags, tasks, appointments, and emails, without having to click into the contact record. The note template allows you to automate recurring tasks, such as leaving a voicemail to confirm an upcoming appointment. The note description will automatically pre-populate, and 2 actions will be scheduled to run behind the scenes. This reduces manual repetitive tasks and saves you time.
One of the cool things about Infusionsoft is we're an all-in-one sales and marketing software. So your e-commerce and your shopping cart is right inside Infusionsoft.
You're able to tie purchases to specific actions after the purchase. So if you want to start a customer into like a new customer follow-up sequence immediately after they purchase something, you're able to easily do that with Infusionsoft.
Infusionsoft provides several attractive layouts and themes you can use to launch your online storefront and shopping cart. These themes can be easily customized to match your site using HTML and CSS editors. With Infusionsoft, you can sell products and subscriptions. You can even offer a free trial and automatically start billing once it expires. The biggest advantage of Infusionsoft's e-commerce module is that it gives you the ability to automate post-purchase follow-up. For example, after a customer buys, you can apply a tag for segmentation and start an upsell sequence. This will help you increase retention and stimulate repeat sales. You can also automate collections by triggering campaigns to collect late payments, alert customers when a charge fails, and segment customers based on billing issues.
Infusionsoft has some really insightful reporting options for you as a user so that you can really see where your traffic is coming from and what are your most effective lead sources.
Any business that's operating online needs to understand a few key things, and that has to do with how many people come to your site, how many people then opt in, and how many people purchase.
Infusionsoft's return on investment report shows you a list of lead sources along with their associated expenses. An overall return on investment number is calculated along with your cost per visitor, contact, and customer, as well as conversion rates. These insights help you measure performance throughout the customer lifecycle.
As a success coach, I realize that it takes more than software to be successful. And our job is to really help you see the big picture and then get the ball rolling.
Success coaches take you and your business and they try to find out what your goals are, both short-term, long-term, and try to match that up with what Infusionsoft can do for you as far as its powerful automation engine.
The benefit of working with a success coach at Infusionsoft is we as coaches bring a whole host of information and knowledge that we've gathered from working with countless businesses. I myself last year worked with over 200 businesses implementing Infusionsoft across many different industries.
As your new success coach, we'll take a look at your business from front to back, start to finish, see what you're doing now, what processes you have that we can start to really maximize the benefits of Infusionsoft. We can start to really dream big.
Once your coaching is complete, you're able to call in a tech support at any time.
There's an online help center that you can go to, has hundreds of videos for each section.
The Help Center, the user guide, the training videos, it's accessible to all of my clients night and day. It's actually how I learned to use the software. It works for every learning style. Having access to that for my clients at their fingertips, it's really the key to their success. My favorite thing about Infusionsoft is seeing the light bulb go on for my clients. When they truly have that aha moment, when they get to see how it's going to save them time and really make an impact in their personal life, it's magical.
Well, to try Infusionsoft yourself, get in contact with your small business growth expert here at Infusionsoft, and they'll take it from there and they'll put you in the right hands, and we want you to succeed. So we're going to make it happen.